Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to upload your own design and create a framed poster on Printful in 2025. This particular method is perfect for selling art prints with a polished touch. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on printful.com. Once you are here on this page, simply just log in into your account. This will land you in your Printful's dashboard. Now by default, you will be on the home page. So you need to first of all click on the product catalog option. Over here, you will find a bunch of different product categories. So among these, you need to just simply search for wall art, and then in the wall art, you need to select the framed poster. So here you can click on the my favorites option as well, and you can add them here in this section. Now you can also click on the option of all products, and here in the right hand section you can just try to find the posters option. So once you are able to find it just like so, simply just click on it, then scroll down and select the option of start designing. Over here you can upload your own design. For that, click on the upload option, then click on this I understand option and save, then click on the upload option. From the list, you need to simply select that particular photo which you want to basically paste on your poster. Once you are done with it, simply just scroll down and click on the option of upload here. Now it will come here in the right hand section, so you can just simply click on the apply now, and it will come here on your poster. It should look something like this. Now you can use this particular image and you can set it on your poster just like so. After adjusting it just like this one, you can add text on top of it. You can add bunch of different saved designs, and here it is also going to give you quick designs option, premium, fill, and bunch of other options. So based on your designing skills, you can basically design your posters just like so. Once you are done, simply click on the save template option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you have your product ready, you can publish it on your connected store. It can be Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, so that customers can order directly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.